Welcome to CAD Station. Today we are going to draw this part. This is drawn in inches. This is very simple. If you watch my previous tutorial, then you can simply draw this without watching this tutorial. If you can pause this video, first draw this, or you can just think how to draw, then watch this tutorial. First I have to draw in new part, and we have to select inches IPS, top plane, sketch. What I have to sketch? I have to sketch these 2.75 and 2.50, 2.75, 2.50. Smart dimension 2.50, 2.75 plus 2.50 by 2. Okay, now simply extrude it up to 1. Okay, features, extrude up to 1. Okay, now simply you have to fillet this side, so go to fillet, select this face, click here, select this face, and click here and select this face. Okay, now what you have to do for this hole, simply sketch, Ctrl 8, select circle, find the center point, make a circle. Its dimension is 0.75, so smart dimension 0.75. okay, it's 0.75. yeah, its radius is 0.75, so 0.75 by 2. Okay, I have a problem. It's this dimension is not clear. Yeah, its dimension is not clear, so I'm going to, okay, it's 1.5. I'm going to draw on 1.5. so features, extrude cut, and through all. Okay, now you can see here is this dimension is 1. If I am not wrong, this is 1. So sketch, select this face, sketch, corner rectangle, from this corner to this side, smart dimension, we have to draw this side of 1 inches and extrude it up to 1.5, and this is 1, so 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. so features, extrude up to 0.5. okay, now further this is extruded up to 1 by 1, so select this face, sketch, you can press Ctrl 8, corner rectangle, and here smart dimension, this is 1, and this is also of 1. okay, one more relation. I am going to select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, and make a relation collinear. Okay, then features, extrude, we have to extrude it up to 1, extrude up to 1. okay, here's extruded, so simply this is done. Here it's done. Change its color or appearance, change the color, this is very dark. okay, select this whole appearance and okay. perspective, I'm going to change its perspective view and back, or no, soft rooftop. This is going to be rooftop. As you can see, this is done. Hope you guys can understand this tutorial. If you have any query, then you can ask me on comment section, or you can send text message on CAD Station Facebook page. If you like the tutorial, then share to your friends and like the tutorial, and also subscribe to CAD Station. Thank you.